This video is for Chemistry in the Earth System, Unit 3.5, Chemical Formulas. Today's essential question is, how are empirical and molecular formulas distinguished? Our first main idea, empirical formulas. A molecular formula describes the structure of a molecular compound. It describes the elements and the number of atoms of each present in one molecule of that compound. Ionic compounds, in contrast, are often composed of ordered clusters of the charged ions. Since these clusters can vary in size, the chemical formulas for ionic compounds are written as empirical formulas. The empirical formula that I just mentioned describes the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms of each element in a compound. When trying to determine the chemical formula of a newly discovered molecule, scientists can often determine experimentally the empirical formula and the molecular weight. They then use that information to deduce the molecular formula. For example, the molecular formula of the compound hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. The ratio of hydrogen to oxygen in the molecule or in the molecular formula is 2:2. The empirical formula of the same compound is HO, with a simplified ratio of 1:1. And similarly, the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, and its empirical formula is CH. At this point, you should be able to generate a full and appropriate response to today's essential question. How are empirical and molecular formulas distinguished?